What's going on, guys? Car Venture Squad back here again. We have a different kind of video for you guys. STI is going to be put away for winter. So this isn't it, but this is my new daily driver. 2005 Subaru Forester XT. Got a couple little cosmetic damages, but this thing rips. Been super busy at work, so I haven't really been able to film this very much, but another little cosmetic damage. I've already done a couple things to it. I got it for super cheap. Lady, I really don't think the lady knew what she had, but yeah, this is gonna be today's video. So in today's video, it has these really crusty headlights that are really old and like really hazy and foggy. I actually bought some new headlights and headlight housings, and they're brand new and they look really good. So yeah, we'll pop the hood and get to work. Alright guys, hood's popped. So on these XT models, they're actually the turbo model, has EJ in it, EJ engine. There's a couple things I've already done to it. I wish I filmed it, I just didn't have time. So I threw on this big old intercooler. It's bigger than the STI intercoolers. I believe it's a CX Racing intercooler. Threw that on. Yeah, the turbo, I don't know if you can really see it, but I put a brand new, it's just a stock turbo, brand new stock turbo in there. The other one was leaking oil, and it was also, it was all messed up. The bearings inside of it were messed up. And the last thing that I've done to it, put a nice exhaust. It's just the axle back for now. Out here in Colorado, you have to get emissions tests, so had to go get emissions tests. So we'll see about putting in a catless downpipe, and it'll be a little loud, but that is okay. All right, so start with these headlights. So this is for a 2005 Forester. You have to pop these two tabs out, and then I'll take out this little eyelid plastic trim, and then you should be able to get to the bolts that are holding in the light. So I will take this little plastic trim out, and then I'll show you what's going on. Okay, so to get that little eyelid out, you have to actually take off the grill, and the grill's only on by these little plastic snap pieces. So you just push them in both sides, and then the grill should pop right off. I still have this side on, but yeah, now we're down to the bare headlight. I don't think these are stock. I think someone replaced these, and I think they also forgot to put a couple bolts in. There's only one bolt holding in this headlight right now. But yeah, I believe that's going to be a 10 mil. I will double check and let you guys know. And I'm also going to be undoing the headlights from the inside right here, the high beam and the low beam with the wiring, just undoing it so I could take this headlight out nice and easy. All right, so I'll get back to you guys right when I get this headlight out. I guess so. This bolt was indeed 10 mil. Let's got it out. Stick it over here with the little plastic pieces. Let's see what we can do with this headlight. It's pretty loose. Feels like it's still on by something. Maybe it's just on there. I'm trying to see if there's any bolts underneath. Doesn't look like it. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'll be right back and show you guys. Alright guys, we got it out. So there's a little tab in the corner right here that this metal piece sets into. That's why it wasn't coming out. You just have to give it a little hard pull. So yeah, now we'll just undo the lights. There's one. Undo these. Leaves a turn signal, high and low beam, running lights. Oh, they're a little dirty. Trying not to break them. There's that. and that one just comes out like that, I guess. So there you go. This is the passenger side. Really foggy. I don't know if it's picking it up on the GoPro. I think you can kind of tell. But yeah, passenger side's out. I'm sure someone will want those, maybe to retrofit them, but we will. I'm gonna clean up in here a little bit. Looks like there's a bunch of crap in here. I'm gonna clean that out, and we'll open up the new one and we'll mock it up. Alright guys, we got the new one. I left the little saran wrap on it so I don't get it all dirty. Got the new one all hooked up. Kinda angry. I think I bought the wrong headlights. I don't know. They have like some sort of LED conversion that I don't see a way to hook it up. So a little frustrated, but everything's gonna be alright. So we'll just run these regular headlights for now, and I'll see if I can maybe buy replacement bulb for that or whatever. But yeah, got all the old connections connected to the new one, got the headlight back on, and now we're just gonna fit it back in place and mount it up, and we'll see how it looks. Hey guys, so I just noticed on that headlight the tab right here was broken. So this is actually another mounting point. Still 10 mil, different bolt, 10 mil, but it goes on there. So yeah, I'm just getting them all lined up and mounted up, making it look pretty. So I'll be right back once it's done. Alright guys, one side's in. I'll take this off for your satisfactions. Oh, nice. That looks so much better than that. I always think headlights give, brand new headlights always give cars like a nice new look. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this side. Like I said before, these two are little pop plastic pieces that come out. This eyelid thing comes out. There's a mounting bolt right there. Same thing on this side, and one up here. And yeah, I'm just gonna swap them out, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, we got the second new one in. You always wanna, when you undo these, like the light bulbs and everything like that, save yourself a headache before you bolt everything on, and then you have to unbolt everything. Just start up the car real quick, check all the lights, make sure they're all working, make sure all the bulbs are working before you bolt it up. Some of these like corner lights, turn signal lights, all the way in the corner of the fender, and you don't want to mess with that. So yeah, I just checked that on both of these, and they're all working good. So now I just have to put that 10 mil in, this 10 mil in, and then we put the eyelids back in. Actually no, we put the grill in first and then the eyelids. So once I get this all bolted in, I'll show you how I put the grill and the eyelids back in. Alright guys, before you put those eyelids on, which I did, these little spots right here, you may have some tabs left over that came off the eyelids and stayed on the headlight, not the eyelid. So basically that's what I had to do. I had to take them off the old headlights, put them in, got the eyelids all nice and in. Oh yeah, the grill. So grill's not too difficult, should just line up. You see these little plastic pieces right where my finger are. The top part should just click in like that. And then there's also another spot. Trying to find. I think it clicked in. Alright. I'm gonna look over that again. But yeah. So this is what the car looks like with the new headlights. They look way better than the beginning. And I'll give it a quick little start for you guys and show you that the lights are working. This one's working. I may have jiggled a wire on this side, so I may have to mess with this a little bit. Oh, I didn't even hook it up. So yeah. Let's see if I can hook this up real quick. There we go. Now it's working. All right. Eventually, I want to turn these headlights to be LED blue, like a nice crystal white. That's what those were supposed to be, but this is what we got for now. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. First video on the Forester. There's gonna be a lot more to come. I have big plans for this thing. I want to make this into a winter beast. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later. Peace.